Air Force don't kill ground soldiers. Oh, my people, as I talk to now, the Air Force fighter jet when they send on a mission against Boko Haram, unknowingly to them. I bet not be me they talk as the message that they deliver. They say unknowingly to them, they kill. In fact, 20 soldiers. Kill, I don't say they injure. They kill 20 soldiers, and they don't say, they be Boko Haram people. Say they no say they be their own men, and this will happen for Borno State. So I beg a call aside. Make una listen to them by themselves. I be by on ourselves. I beg join me. Make we watch the video.
One of our gun throw a come from Benin. Effort don't share them. Kill all of the soldiers. Now the smoke. Now the smoke in the see so. Now the smoke in the see so. They call the gun truck. Make them come road. Come carry road. They enter bush. Effort don't share them.
Ah. Hey. Which kind of expensive mistake be this one? Chineke me. Highest level of unprofessionalism. You kill your own men. Also, now I was thinking it's Boko Haram. I was no, what happened to communication? I think say before, if people they go war or if they go, they get all this they prepare themselves. 1, 2, 1, 2. You understand? I know. Wait, they try. You know that's how they try picture everything. How this mistake feel happen? How 20 people. No be 2, no be 12. Now I just lose their life now, just like that. You didn't know they were your men. You thought it was Boko Haram. See, nothing when I want to tell me this thing no be any mistake. No, I dey tell now. Which kind of mistake be this one? There is no mistake inside this thing. Because I don't calculate. My people. Again, when I even hear say, because they tell me say, Madam Aproko, be like say, nowadays Boko Haram now they don't join officials. My people, anything is possible. My people, anything can happen. Me, I know they trust Nigeria military. I know they trust the ra. You want tell me now say Air Force no say their soldiers they there. When I want tell me now Chineke. I just think of these people family. Like I just the know the kind burial where they happen back to back. Both the ones where we they hear, the ones where we know even they hear. Like una understand say people family they reduce. Una don't sit down and think am. God. These people go always they protect Boko Haram. Every time they protect Boko Haram. I never see something where happen before where these people go come outside straight. They must always bend the matter. They must bend the story. They must, I don't understand. There must always be lies inside. If you sit down there, they watch me. You see they believe in Nigeria government. You there on your own. Yes. I go talk and you dey. In fact, you are on a serious on your own. You are seriously on your own. Now, these kind of things they happen when una recruit Boko Haram into the Air Force, claiming they are repented bandits. Now, things like this they happen. Who knows? Maybe people say wait they inside that Air Force now. Bagam, they be them. Repented. Now, this kind of results we go to get. Now only God know what these people don't plan. Now only God, my people see. Forget this thing. No. This is where they talk every time. That is in a play. I don't trust anybody. If you like, come outside. Show me everything what you want to show me. I don't trust. It is this same government that is killing us. No Boko Haram. Because if government want to stop these people, they have everything they need to stop them. And the reason why they are continuing is because government has given them full hand and full support. No, tell me country where this kind of thing they happen now. You they against person, but you and the person they negotiate. I not just do that. I never see before. I never see. Bia, if you don't say you they part of this soldier matter, you they alive. You they hear me now. Because you know what I have for you? Very simple. Now, no say I don't like stress. pack your things. I don't know where I beg. I never do soldier before. But any belonging you know you have outside your family home, pack it and go back home. Pack it and go back. See, this country as it is now, if not before, fine. Right now, Nigeria is not worth dying for. Oh. Oh, you go just die for nothing. We go okay. I don't talk my own. Pack your things and go. See, go meet your family. Live the remaining years you have on this earth as God will decide. I bet leave it in peace beside your family before you go end up like that. I'm not gonna talk past this one, my people. Una don't hear them. We didn't know they were our men. We thought they are Boko Haram members. Make the comments start the roll for that side because I know say una dey una be my people solidly behind me, so I know. I bet I won't know what una they think concerning this matter. Start the drop out there and make sure say you share this video. May everybody know the kind situation where this whole country don't enter. And in case you get any soldier person, any person inside uniform for this kind of condition, be cool. I beg. Advise them, make them just go rest. Very, very important. Already, you know, I know the salary where they pay them. Say, well, I go say you won't go kill yourself for person. Because share the video and make sure say you subscribe. I bet very important. Just click on that notification bell so that anytime when we drop a hot for you, you could be the first person to get the gist. Yes, stay tuned for our next story.